For most of the 20th century, we thought we had life figured out. 5 kingdoms from plants to bacteria. But in the 1970s, a scientist named Carl Woese looked at the genetic code inside cells and found a shocker. Some bacteria were as different from other bacteria as they were from us. This discovery didn't just add a new branch to the tree of life, it redrew the entire tree, splitting it into 3 massive trunks called domains. The first is bacteria. These are the familiar microbes on our skin and in the soil. Their secret weapon is a cell wall made of a unique mesh called peptidoglycan. This is their strength, but also their weakness. It's the exact target for antibiotics like penicillin, which shatters that wall without touching our own cells. Then there's the second domain, Archaea. For years, we mistook them for bacteria, but biochemically, they're from another world. They build their cell membranes with super-stable ether bonds, a kind of molecular superglue. This lets them thrive where nothing else can, in boiling hydrothermal vents, acidic springs, and lakes saltier than the Dead Sea. They are life's ultimate survivors. Finally, there's our own domain, Eukarya. This includes everything from amoebas to blue whales. Our defining feature is complexity. Our cells have a nucleus and specialized organelles. And how do we get them? The leading theory is a story of ancient cellular takeover. Billions of years ago, one cell engulfed another. Instead of digesting it, it put it to work. That captured bacterium became the mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells. The proof? Mitochondria still have their own circular DNA, a relic of their free-living past. This 3-domain system isn't just a textbook diagram, it's the key to understanding everything, from modern medicine to the deep history of life on this planet. It shows us that for all our complexity, we are just one small branch, built on a foundation laid by ancient microscopic titans.